Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete your Temu account. So if you want to delete Temu account, maybe you want to put an end to the Temu account you're using, or you want to create another Temu account, then you need to delete the previous one. Then here's a video for you. So here, you learn how to delete your Temu account. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Temu app. Sign into the Temu account you want to delete with your email and password. Once you've signed into the Temu account, click on You. Click on Settings at the top right. Then on the Settings page, locate and click on Account Security. Now, on the Account Security page, scroll down and you see Delete your Temu account. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on Delete your Temu account, you see how to delete your Temu account. Dear Temu user, so you want to read through this because this is going to permanently delete your Temu account. So if you want to permanently delete your Temu account, come down here and check, I want to permanently delete my Temu account. After that, go ahead and click on Continue. Once you hit the Continue button, you'll be prompted to select the main reason for deleting your account. Unsatisfied with products or logistics, unsatisfied with promotions, have multiple accounts, safety or privacy, too messages, advertisement, and the rest of them. So if you don't have a reason, just go ahead and click on Continue. But in this case, I'm just going to come here and select another reason. So you can just come here and say best known. So just type the reason why you think you want to leave Temu, and after that, you want to click on Continue. And once you hit the Continue button, choose what that says, for your account security, we need to make sure it's really you. You can choose the following way to verify your identity. So use email verification code to verify this identity, or use Google account to verify the identity. So you can choose either verification code or identity, or Google account identity, depending on the approach you use to send to your Temu account. Then to delete my Temu account, I'm going to verify this with my Google account. Then you should say, to continue, please complete the verification step. We've sent a verification code to the email address. Then let's go ahead and grab the email address from my email. So just go ahead, open your email. Then make sure you select the email address. So just come here, select the email address. Then you should see Temu verification code. Then go ahead and type that. That's 877144. 873114. If the verification code is correct, then you should say successfully requested. We've received your request to permanently delete your Temu account. You will be automatically signed out of your Temu account, and it takes 7 business days before your Temu account to be deleted. Just go ahead and click on confirm. And once you hit the confirm button, you should see you signed out of the Temu account. And then that is it. So after 7 days, your Temu account will be deleted permanently. So that is basically how to delete Temu account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.